guys, I am back again after a very long break of about 6 to 8 weeks. For the people that have been following me, y'all know that I always take a long ass summer break. I kind of did my hair and it's already grown out. That's great. But I always take a long summer break. It's like, you know, basically like a school year. School's over. I get to take a break, like a really long one, and then in September or so, I'll be back. And I'm back. Have y'all missed me? Honestly, I have missed you, and I have missed making these videos. Now, I'm just gonna say it immediately. I did my nails, and y'all are gonna notice that one is missing because while I was on break, I didn't even do my nails for like 6 freaking weeks. I kid you not, 6 weeks I did not do my nails. However, what happens is they grow out a hell a lot and they break if you don't fix them. And I didn't, and my own nail broke. So I do have beautiful nails, unfortunately, -1. Okay, but today I am back and we're gonna do the unboxing of the August boxes. Y'all know August is long over and done. It's September now, October's already knocking on the door. But still, either way, I did receive the boxes and I still do want to unbox them. So in this month, I'm gonna you know, get these videos out there because I also need to do the September boxes, so it's a lot. Okay, but today we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic beauty box of August. August, not September. So let's start unboxing, I guess. But before we start unboxing, I kindly want to remind y'all to enter my giveaway. I always host giveaways on my channel. It's a way for me to give away to you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, kind of to support me, and I kind of, you know, in a weird way, I guess, with these giveaways, want to support you and thank you for everything that you've done for me. But I'm hosting a giveaway right now. I need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a palette, a little satchel, not a palette, excuse me, a satchel filled with makeup. And you guys can help me out by subscribing to my channel and liking the video, and make sure all of your friends and family subscribe. The sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner I'm going to give away that satchel, and a brand new giveaway will start immediately. My giveaways are open worldwide, boy, girl, it doesn't matter, so make sure to check it out. And now let's get unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna open up the cap, which says, "Together we can do great things." I agree. Oh my goodness, we got the booklet. I forgot. I remember like there was a whole long ass while we didn't have the booklet, and now we have the booklet. I'm not really sure if we had the booklet in July, but I do remember not having prices of items. Okay, so there are no prices. Gotta be shitting me. There are no prices mentioned. Beauty box. No, not beauty box. Lookfantastic, please. I want to know how much the items are worth. And I'm too lazy to look it up online because I'm doing a video, I'm doing an unboxing, people want to know how much it's worth, and I can tell them, and I'm a really lazy ass YouTuber who does not want to do the effort of looking it up online. So it's all your fault. This is the inside of the box, and the box smells funny. Something smells, and I'm not even joking, something smells like the due date has gone. So I really hope that's not the case. Okay, immediately a big ass thing from Bubble Tea, the rhubarb and custard. Rhubarb and custard? Is custard what I think it is? Because I don't know about that. This is a bath fizzer. This is what it looks like. Unfortunately, I live in a rented apartment which doesn't have a bath. So this is useless to me. But speaking about giveaways like just a second ago, look at me being a professional. No, but I'm gonna give this away in a future giveaway, so make sure to support me, thank you. Okay, moving on to another item, which is from Ahava, Smoothing Body Lotion. Oh, I just now realized I showered today and I did not lotion my body, and my skin is already dry. Not good. Okay, superfood, kale and turmeric. Okay, turmeric. Oh, you gotta be careful with that because your skin is gonna get yellow. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I'm really, really sorry, but I do not have the prices of the items like I mentioned, so I don't know how much this is worth. It is cool that it's in here. Skimono, Radiance Recovery 4C, Plumping Collagen, Calming Chamomile, Refreshing Cucumber, that's why it's 4C, Firming Vitamin C with Peptides. Okay, so you get an eye mask in here, which is very, very cool. I'm really into this kind of stuff. Masks in general are just freaking amazing. So I'm really happy with this. Don't know the price. I'm going to have to check it out. Moving on to something really, really small from Filorga. Age Purify Intensive Double Correction Serum. So it's for wrinkles and blemishes, and I feel like we already received such an item, but I can't remember where. However, this is just perfect for travel purposes. So this is what that little sucker looks like. And I just dropped it. I was on such a good roll today, and now we're doomed. Okay, moving on to the, no, not the last item. The second last item. Is that a thing? I just made one. Okay, from Oh, it's this. This smells. Oh, this smells really, really bad. Glove mask remover. Mask remover? Removes cosmetic masks with water. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I put on a mask, I just hit the shower and rinse it off. I don't... Okay, now I'm gonna bash something. Wow. Yeah, I started off on such a high note, and now we're just gonna leave the video in our old cycle. Dang it. But what I wanted to say was, I feel like companies like this just put out an item just to sell. Like, you don't need a freaking glove or whatever to remove a mask. Like, come on, we got water. Well, don't take water for granted. I do waste water, gonna be honest, but I'm not gonna take it for granted because not everybody has water, okay? Got me there. But usually in the Western world, usually people have running water. And you take your stuff off with that. I don't need a cloth, a special cloth for it, because there's a cloth for your eyes, you know, to take off your eye makeup, and then we have a cloth to take up your mask, and then we have a cloth to take off the face makeup, and then we have a towel for our hair, and come on, you know how many freaking towels I have to have in my closet? Hell no. I'm gonna take it off with water, but however, giveaway alert again. If y'all like this stuff, because I don't judge you, if you like this kind of stuff, then great. I personally don't, and I don't use it. So I'm gonna make sure to give it away to one of you. So once again, promoting myself here, but make sure to check out my video, yay. Okay, moving on to the last item, this time a tiny bubble wrapped item, and it is, I can't get it out. Okay, this is Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Ooh, I am always happy with a blush in the color Matchmaker. Oh, it sounds very fancy. And the box, let me just show you guys the box. The box is beautiful, and y'all know me, I can't open shit. So this box is gonna get hella ruined. Wow, that is one hell of a sturdy box. Oh, okay. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but look. Come on, don't focus on my face. Stop focusing on my face. It has foil over it. Doesn't that mean like I can't recycle this because it has foil? Because it's not cardboard. It's not cardboard like completely. Ugh, come on. Wow. Talk about a struggle with the damn... There we go. Okay, very cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. It's so teeny tiny, but at the same time, it is perfect because we don't need huge blushes. Who the hell finishes up a huge... Well, I do. Okay, going great. It really is a beautiful blush, but I don't need these huge blushes because by the time I do, you know, empty it out, it's already past its due date. So this kind of a small thing is actually perfect. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Good, I like that. Okay, Really excited about this little fella, and it's pink, and I don't really have that many pink blushes yet, so I'm really happy with that. Okay guys, the box is empty. I'm gonna take it down and recycle it immediately. What do we think? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, I dropped one, which is 6 items, and at least one of them is a teeny tiny size. Wow, no, actually the Ahava body lotion is probably a teeny tiny size as well. Yeah, 40 milliliters. What do you guys think about this month's box? 2 items I'm definitely going to do in future giveaways, and the rest I'm going to keep for myself. I really enjoyed this box. I think it's pretty cool for summer, pretty great. Very excited about the blush and the mask. Can't wait to try it out. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about last month's box? Because not this month, it's last month. And I will see you guys in a future video. And like I said, it's gonna be a lot because I have a hell of a lot of unboxing to do. Bye guys!